Hello everyone, I am Professor A.B. Zanzad from Kekewa College of Agricultural Engineering and Technology, Nasik, working in the Department of Irrigation and Drainage Engineering. Today is my video on estimation of water availability and computing the water requirement. So, for computing the water availability, so first point is consumptive use or ET. It is the quantity of water used by vegetation growth of a given area. It is amount of water required by a crop for its vegetative growth to evapotranspiration and building of plant tissues plus evaporation from the soils and intercepted precipitation. The consumptive use is expressed in terms of depth of water. The consumptive use varies with temperature, humidity, wind speed, topography, sunlight hours, method of irrigation, and the moisture availability. Then the second point is effective rainfall. The precipitation falling during the growing period of a crop that is available to meet the ET needs, that is evapotranspiration needs of the crop, is called as effective rainfall. It does not include precipitation lost through deep percolation below the root zone or water lost as surface runoff. Third point is consumptive irrigation requirement. It is the amount of irrigation water required in order to meet the evapotranspiration need of crop during its full growth. It is therefore nothing but consumptive use itself, but exclusive of effective precipitation, stored soil moisture, or groundwater. When the last two are ignored, then we can write consumptive irrigation requirement is equal to Cu minus Re, that is effective rainfall. Consumptive use minus effective rainfall. Then fourth, the net irrigation requirement. Net irrigation requirement is amount of irrigation water required in order to meet ET needs of crop as well as other needs such as leaching, percolation. Therefore, net irrigation requirement NIR is equal to consumptive use minus effective rainfall plus water lost as percolation in satisfying the other needs such as leaching. Then we will see a problem on this. Following table gives the values of consumptive use and effective rainfall. The period of crop growing is from 16th October to 2nd February. Then determine the net irrigation requirement. In this table, the dates is given. Then Cu, Re and NIR, that is net irrigation requirement. The dates are 16 to 31st October, 1 to 13 November, 1 to 31 December, 1 to 31 January and 1 to 2nd February, that is October month, November month, December, January and February, and regarding its values are given in this table. Hence the net irrigation required is 6.2 plus 63.8 plus 148.2 plus 185.7 plus 12.3. These values are come from Cu minus Re, and that is values from consumptive use minus the values of effective rainfall, and therefore net effective rainfall is equal to 416.2 mm. Then determine the net effective rainfall FIR for the feed crop. Then application efficiency is 80%, conveyance efficiency is 70%. Therefore solution consumptive use is pan evaporation into Kc, and net effective rainfall is Cu minus Re, that is consumptive use minus effective rainfall. These values are put in table. Therefore, summation of net irrigation required is equal to 27.36 centimeter, and field irrigation requirement, that is FIR, is net irrigation efficiency upon application efficiency, which is 80%, and net irrigation requirement is 27.36. Therefore, FIR that is field irrigation requirement, we get the value of 34.2 centimeter. And the gross irrigation requirement, that is field irrigation requirement upon conveyance efficiency, we assume the conveyance efficiency 70%, and the value of field irrigation requirement FIR is 34.2 centimeter. Therefore gross irrigation requirement, that is GIR, is equal to 34.2 upon zero point 0.7, that is 48.85 centimeter. To get more videos related to agriculture and agricultural engineering, subscribe the channel Agroneers. Thank you.